Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 8 homeopathic remedies for myositis. What is myositis? Myos means muscles and itis means inflammation. Thus, myositis means inflammation of muscles. What are the causes of myositis? Infection from virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. Injury. Medications such as recreational drugs. Recreational drugs are of 4 types. The types have been names given below: opioids, stimulants, depressant, hallucinogens, statins, etc. Number 4, autoimmune reactions. Statins are used for controlling the blood cholesterol. And finally, autoimmune reactions. That is, autoimmune reaction means here the immune cells of the body attacks the muscles of the person. This is a very dangerous type of disease because most of the autoimmune diseases are incurable in modern medicine, that is modern allopathic medicine. But we have our own technique to treat this type of diseases. What are types of myositis and their symptoms? In all, there are 6 types. Please note, below I have given the names of the 6 types with numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and below that particular numbering symptoms have been given. Maybe 2 particular type of myositis have the same symptom, so I have taken 1, 2 as a group, or 4, 5 as a group. Please, while reading, take extra care. Number 1, polymyositis affecting proximal core muscles like neck, hip, back. This is shown in picture 1. And juvenile myositis affecting teenagers and below. What are the symptoms? Common symptoms are dysphagia, that is difficulty to swallow, dysarthria, difficulty to talk, joint pain, breathing troubles, etc. Number 3, dermatomyositis affecting proximal muscles with skin related ailments. Symptoms: Gottron papules. Gottron papules you can see on the hands of this particular person. These are red, very much red, slightly raised papules with swelling of eyes. This is the common symptoms of, common symptoms of dermatomyositis. Number 4, immune mediated necrotizing myositis or necrotizing autoimmune myositis. This is autoimmune disease. Symptoms: swallowing difficulty. This is picture 3. This picture, you will see, this is the picture of muscles, and within these muscles there are necrotizing or necrotization, that is destruction of cells, destruction of muscle cells. This is a picture from microscope. So you have to carefully note, there are some sometime arrow has been given but no arrow is given here, or I think this is missing. This type 1 black point, this is 1 black point. These are necrotizing points. Symptoms: swelling. Number 5, inclusion body myositis causing progressive muscular atrophy. Picture 4. This is rather clear. This is normal cells, normal muscles, muscle cells. This is inclusion body. You will note, if you note carefully, you will see that there are something else within this particular picture. This picture is clear, healthy cells. There are something, these are called inclusion body. Some bodies have been come here. Those are dangerous things. Symptoms: nerve damage lowering of reflexes. Number 6 last, infective myositis. Infective myositis caused by microbial infection. Symptoms: cough, fever, runny nose, etc. How to prevent myositis? For myositis, one should take care of injury, infection, immune system. Mind this. Myositis can occur from these three types of angle: injury, that is mechanical injury, physical injury; infection caused by microbes; and immune system also. Immune system means where the immune cell of the person attacks his own cells. That is the most dangerous disease, and for that reason myositis is a very, very peculiar and troublesome and difficult to cure disease if it is autoimmune myositis. Otherwise, if it is injury, infection, it will go. Injury is a chance matter. You cannot hold it. You cannot check it. Very difficult to control totally. However, keeping our immune system intact, we can prevent myositis. In fact, a lot of ailments. Because this is this immune system. If you control immune system, then this autoimmune type of myositis will not occur, and that is the most dangerous, most challenging, and difficult to cure. I have already told. Now, how to preserve immune system? So that is very, very important. Mind it, this what I am telling now, this is an important thing, not related to particular this disease. There are hundreds of autoimmune diseases which all require this prevention techniques. How to preserve immune system? Number one, avoiding things which suppress our immune systems. What are these things? Addiction like tobacco of all forms, alcohol, drug, etc. Actually, all addictions, they attack the immune system. The immune system is altered, then this autoimmune disease starts. Number B is anxiety, worry. Another very, very important thing. You may be wondering that anxiety, worry can give rise to a lot of diseases, and most troublesome disease is this autoimmune. So you try to release your anxiety, worry. Now, how we will release? The most important thing is that you do some physical exercises. That is very, very important. If you do some physical exercise, there will be no anxiety, worry. Another, you can do things what your mind wants. That is, you want to sing, you sing. You want to dance, you dance. That is, you keep your mind in a joyful state. That will remove anxiety, worry from your mind. That is a very, very important thing. Mind it. It is a very, very important thing. Modern remedies like for lupus, arthritis, IBS, that is irritable bowel syndrome, corticosteroid, all immunosuppressive drugs, these are very much dangerous for our immune system. So take care of these medicines, that is remedies of modern medicines, that is allopathic medicine. Number D, high fat, high salt, high sugar diets. These are all dangerous also for immune system. Grief, anxiety, worry, grief. I could have add this grief there, but I have taken it separately because grief is another thing. Grief, we cannot altogether remove grief from our life, but you have to know how the grief is to be diluted. The grief is diluted through social contacts, through physical cultures, and other such things which give you joy. The same thing. Things which give you joy can fight grief. But if you nurture grief, you carry on griefs, it will finish you. Mind, it will finish you. Number two, adopting things which increase power of our immune system. That was which was dangerous for immune system. Now you have to do things which will increase your immune system. What are these things? Take sound sleep for 7 to 8 hours a day. Get enough green veggies and fruits. These will give you physical stamina, because this green veggies and fruits contains a lot of chemical constituents like vitamins, etc. This gives strength and support to the immune system. Take vitamin D especially. Regular workout, another very important thing. Workout gives a tremendous immune boosting. And having sex, not more than twice. Having sex is a very good thing, but mind it, you must not do it too much. While it is within this twice a week, it will add to your immune system power. So please try to maintain these things and previously avoid those things. So this will give you strong immune system. How myositis is diagnosed? It's a very peculiar thing. Best treatment, best diagnosis is you order for muscle biopsy of the patient. Also you can do magnetic resonance imaging scan, but muscle biopsy is the gold test by which it can be confirmed what type of myositis the patient is suffering from. How a case of myositis is managed? In modern medicine, they only give corticosteroid and immunosuppressive drug. That is, this particular disease is autoimmune, and they are giving again corticosteroid and immunosuppressive drug. That is, these two medicine will add injury to your already disease condition. The disease is autoimmune, and they are giving corticosteroid immunosuppressive. That is, they will also attack immune system. I don't know what are the logic behind these things, but they do this, and naturally they also say that it is incurable in our system. We just give some palliative treatment. So you think whether you will go for modern medicine or something else. In homeopathy, in our practices, we first type of disease confirmed by pathological test. First we try to know what is the type of disease. Is it due to injury or infection or autoimmune? In case of simple inflammation, that is infection or injury, remedy is chosen on totality of symptom basis. That is a very simple thing. In case of autoimmune type of inflammation, cause of suppression of immune system is determined. That is, autoimmune disease arises only when immune system is deformed. Now we have to take the details history from the patient and find out which is working behind to damage this system. We have to first counteract that particular item or particular maybe there is wrong practices of the particular patients or something doing wrong. There is practicing some alcohol taking or marijuana, this type of dangerous thing. We have to stop that thing, and from past history, then the remedy is chosen on totality. Or then we first take the immune system difficulty or what is the trouble in his immune system. We first rectify that, then we give the medicine according to totality of symptom. Totality of symptom basis is the approach of true homeopathy. True homeopaths always try to give a single medicine depending on totality of symptom. This is true treatment. Now there are a lot of patients and a lot of doctors are there. They are called themselves homeopathy, but they actually do polypharmacy. They give 5 to 4, 3, any number of medicines. This is not homeopathy. This is dangerous, but this is going on, and a lot of person also take help. I don't know what happens ultimately. Now we are coming to remedies. This remedy, wherever it is simple, I have given it is simple for simple myositis, or if it is not for simple, that is for autoimmune, I have also referred to that. Aconite for myositis. For simple myositis caused by infection injury, numbness of the left arm, tingling in fingers, fingertips red shiny swelling of the joints, inflammation of hypothenar eminence. Hypothenar eminence is given in image, top image, hypothenar eminence, and the eminence below the little finger. Legs powerless. Ischulus hippo, that is hypogastritum, for myositis. Aching, soreness in limb, paralytic, heaviness, arms, spine, feet, hands and feet swell, become red after washing, spine feels weak. Actually, this is also for simple type of myositis. Agaricus muscaris for myositis, pain in hips, worse from lying, arms restless, burning, itching of both hands as if frozen, cramps in soles and feet, pain in shin bone. Shin bone means tibia, which is lying in our lower portion of the leg. Picture of tibia has been given here. This is the tibia picture. This bone is tibia, this is his fibula. The tibia is also called shin bone. Antimonium tartaricum for myositis. Fingertips icy cold, dead, numb, dry and hard. Tension in hamstrings when walking. Synovitis, joint swollen. Now gradually the deep symptoms are coming. Restless arm, feet go to sleep on sitting. Sulfur for myositis. History of repeated skin disease suppression. Top remedy for autoimmune myositis. Hot patient. Whitlow, rapid swelling of finger, redness, stiffness with burning and stitching. Soles burn, want them uncovered at night. Left arm numb, worse, feeling on lying. This medicine is our seat anchor for autoimmune type of any disease, fighting autoimmune disease, any type of autoimmune disease. Sorinum for myositis, fit for autoimmune myositis, chilly patient. The past, sulfur, sulfur is a hot patient, but sorinum is a chilly patient. Eruption around joints make walking difficult, hot itching soles, fatigued, foot sweat. Syphilinum for myositis, pain at the insertion of deltoid, worse from raising hands laterally or in front, itching eruptions around elbow, a fitting remedy for autoimmune type of disease. This is also autoimmune myositis for. Shin bones painful, better from pouring cold water on them. Pain in bone as if scraped or sawed, patients hot. Carcinosin for myositis, history of repeated skin disease suppression, top remedy for autoimmune myositis, for children and teenagers also. They have filthy habits, obstinate, fastidious. Children very sensitive to reprimand. They are crazy for dancing. They prefer to sleep in knee elbow position. Knee elbow, also known as dog-like, that coil dog type position, where the chin and knees are almost touching. That is knee elbow. Lathyrus for myositis, spastic gait, excessive rigidity of legs, knee jerks exaggerated. Knee jerk exaggerated means knee jerk is a test of nervous system. There is normal jerks, there is less, and there is hyper. In this case, lathyrus, this is exaggerated or hyper. Knee jerk is hyper. Stiffness and lameness of ankle, knees, seat bent forward, straightens up, very difficulty.